Ever looked up at the sun and thought, wow, that's huge? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. On the cosmic scale, our sun is just ... average. Let's take a journey through the sheer immensity of space, starting with some neighborhood stars. Meet Sirius A, the brightest star in our night sky. It's already about twice the size of our sun. Not bad, right? But hold on, we're just getting started. Now, let's meet Aldebaran, a star that's a staggering 44 times bigger than the sun. It's like comparing a basketball to a small car. But even Aldebaran is dwarfed by the real titans of the cosmos. Have you heard of Betelgeuse? It's a colossal red supergiant. If you were to swap our sun with Betelgeuse, its fiery surface would stretch out past the orbit of Mars. Imagine looking up from Earth and seeing a sky completely filled with a burning, red giant. It's a humbling thought, but even Betelgeuse has to bow down to the true king. Say hello to VY Canis Majoris. This is one of the largest stars we've ever discovered, a true hypergiant. How big is it? It's nearly 2,000 times the size of our sun. To put that into perspective, if VY Canis Majoris was at the center of our solar system, it wouldn't just swallow Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars ... It would engulf the orbit of Jupiter entirely. Our entire inner solar system would be inside this one single star. The scale is almost impossible to comprehend. So, we've seen how big stars can get. But what lies beyond these individual balls of fire? Galaxies. These are immense, sprawling islands made up of billions, sometimes trillions, of stars, all held together by gravity. Our home is the Milky Way galaxy. It's a beautiful spiral, and it spans about 100,000 light-years from one end to the other. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year, and light is the fastest thing in the universe. So, even if you could travel at the speed of light, it would take you a full 100,000 years just to cross our own galaxy. Think about that. The entire recorded history of humanity is just a tiny fraction of that time. We are living in a cosmic city of unimaginable size. But here's the kicker. As vast as the Milky Way is, it's not even close to being the biggest galaxy out there. Let me introduce you to IC 1101. This is one of the largest known galaxies in the universe, a true leviathan. It stretches over 6 million light-years wide. That's 60 times larger than the Milky Way. If you place them side by side, our galaxy would look like a tiny little boat next to a continent-sized aircraft carrier. IC 1101 contains hundreds of trillions of stars. The number is so large it almost loses meaning. And the universe doesn't stop there. Galaxies aren't just scattered randomly through space. They like to hang out in groups. We call these galaxy clusters. Our own neighborhood is called the local group, which includes our Milky Way, the slightly larger Andromeda galaxy, and dozens of smaller dwarf galaxies. It's a cozy little cosmic cul-de-sac. But if we zoom out even further, we find that these clusters are part of even bigger structures called super. We live in the Virgo supercluster, a colossal collection of galaxy groups that spans over 110 million light-years. Our local group is just one small part of this massive structure. It's like realizing your city is just one of thousands in a giant country, and even that isn't the final frontier. These superclusters are all connected, forming an enormous, breathtaking structure we call the cosmic web. Imagine a vast, intricate network of shimmering filaments stretching across the entire universe. These filaments are made of galaxies, gas, and dark matter, all woven together like threads of light in an endless tapestry. And in between these glowing threads, gigantic dark voids, empty regions of space, millions of light-years across. It's a cosmic architecture on a scale that defies human imagination. So, where does it all end? What is the absolute biggest thing we know of? That would be the limit of what we can see, the observable universe. Its diameter is estimated to be about 93 billion light. The light from the most distant galaxies we can detect today started its journey towards US almost 13.8 billion years ago, not long after the Big Bang itself. We are literally looking back in time to the dawn of the cosmos and what lies beyond that edge. The honest answer is, we don't know. The universe could be infinitely large. There could be countless other regions, other cosmic webs, perhaps even other universes entirely, existing beyond our cosmic horizon, forever out of our reach. So, the next time you find yourself looking up at the night sky, take a moment. Remember that every single star, every faint smudge of light, is part of something far bigger, far more complex, and far more wonderful than our minds can truly grasp. In this infinite cosmic ocean, we are a tiny, precious fragment, a brief whisper in a grand, eternal story. Thanks so much for joining me on this incredible journey through the cosmos. If you enjoyed this and want to explore more of the universe's wonders, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures. Stay curious, because the universe is always calling.